Yeah, my name is Michael from Lagos, Nigeria. Um, quickly, just to say a few things. I started forex trading about 2 years ago, and all in I joined some signal providers channels, and most of them I end up in losses. And I was tired, and I was like frustrated, like, oh God, what's wrong? Then I got to know about price action. Price action, yes. Someone introduced that channel to me. Like, price action, they are good, and I should give them a try. I joined last month, I guess, yes, August. I joined, and right now I am in profit, man. Profit, everyday profit. Join price auction. They are the best. Trust me, they are very good. Thank you, price auction. Thank you. I'm happy.